Okay, welcome back my dear students. Good morning to all of you. Now let's start with your moral science syllabus of second semester, class 6th. Okay, now the name of your topic is SMART goals. What are the SMART goals? Do you know? Yes, I'm going to tell you. SMART goals means when we set up some efficient specific goals in order to be successful in life or make the smooth going of your life. So first of all, there was a story on your page number 31. The story is about a boy named Sam. So name of the story is Making Life Better. Name of the story is Making Life Better. So this is the name of the story mentioned here. Making Life Better. And Sam was a naughty boy. Everybody considered him bad and he felt sad. He sat under a tree one day thinking how he should be. He lived every day like one that went by and life seemed the same. He got up, got dressed, went to school, daily household chores done by him, and he feels that his life becoming bore. From the first paragraph of your story, the central idea of the paragraph is life is boring. Sam considered his life is boring. See from the picture, he sat like a bored individual. So he wants to do something so that his life become more meaningful. And what he do? He thought for a long time, how could he help the world and still help himself too? How could he help and help the world? So he wanted to make his life meaningful. Second paragraph tell us that Sam wanted to make his life meaningful. So he thought, like, see, he's thinking something. He thought what he should do, what he will do. Next, Sam decided to set goals in his life. He wanted to make each day better than previous. So he also want to make the world better. If he made each day better, a little bit more, every day would be the better even than before. For example, if you improve yourself little bit daily, then full month you will improve too much. So same thing, make the world better. So what Sam will do? Sam will do so many things. Help others, help the people in crossing road, like this you can see from the picture. He changed himself. Next paragraph, he made the world better in work and play also. He worked harder at school and learned all he could. Previously he didn't do these things, but now he wants to improve himself. So he was kinder to others also. It made him feel good. He helped his parents and they were all too amazed to see the changes in Sam. So in third paragraph, Sam changes. So many changes is there. He helped his parents, his siblings, his brother, sister. He cooperate in household works, in study. So he helped his friends. He kept his classroom clean. He began to respect the teacher. One day he gave food to a poor man with nothing to eat. Sam made each new day better than the last one. So each day there are so many improvements there in Sam. So now life at his best at the end means he do so many good things, good deeds like this. You can see from the picture, he is giving a food to the poor man and he's also help his friends clean his classroom. So this is the story of a Sam, means how Sam changed himself by setting a SMART goals. Previously he didn't have any SMART goals in his life, but later he improved himself, make changes in himself and become a good human being. Then on your next page number 32, the goals we must set be SMART. The points below will help us to know how to be smart in setting and achieving goals. So what are the main points we have kept in mind while setting our goals? Firstly, our goal should be specific. Don't just have a double-mindedness in your mind that you want to do this also, you want to do that also. Like sometimes we are double-minded. I also want to go to foreign, or I also want to be a judge here in India. Means two things are going over there in your mind related to your aim in life, but you are not properly determined to do which particular thing you going to select. So main thing is that your goal must be specific. We should exactly know what we want to achieve, and a specific target is to be a first step. Here you can see from the flashcard, S for specific. SMART itself consists of all these words. Underline the lines which are under S. We should exactly know what we want to achieve a specific target in first step. And second one is measurable. M for measurable. We must track the progress we make. It will help us to stay focused on the goal. Means what you did or what you want to do, you just write it down on, make one timetable of your own, so that you will make a conclusion of yourself, yet how much you improves. So second main important thing is your goal must be measurable. Next, SMA. A for action. A for action. A goal can be achieved only through action, therefore work hard. If you didn't work hard, you are not able to achieve your goals. So action must be there. If you sit idle at home, didn't do your work properly, didn't study, then how will you succeed in your life? So third main step is to be, action should be there in your activities. Next one is R. R for realistic. A goal should be within our ability. It should be challenging but attainable. Means don't take the easy goals, take the challenging ones, but which are under the reality. That, for example, I am having a dream to just live my life on moon, but it is not possible for me. I know my financial situations or something else is there as the restriction, but think broad, but see your limitations also. And the last one is T, SMAR, up to this finish, and the last word alphabet of SMART is T. T for time based. Don't just take too much time in when you want to achieve your goals. Decide exactly when you will start and finish the goal. We should stick to the time frame. Time restriction should be there, otherwise you may be delay in your works. So this is all in your chapter SMART goals. So, and the questions, answers you will do yourself in your own wordings. Answers itself there in the chapter. I told you where you underline the lines. So I am going to explain the questions. Answer you will write yourself. What helped Sam to be a good boy? What helped Sam to be a good boy? We discussed in the stories the things he did in the past time, but now he do that things that make him good one. Second question is, which is the first step of goal setting? Here I mentioned first step, which is, yes, specific. You can write about all the things which are included in that category. Now your third question is, goals should be realistic, explain. Is goals realistic? Explain in your own wordings. Your goals must be realistic. Clear? So next are the true false. A goal can be achieved only through action. Tell me. A goal should be above our ability. Is it true or false? You can do it yourself. Goals should be challenging. And on the very next page, you can write as your own what goals you want to set in your life, and put a tick mark in front of that which are accomplished or in which you are still improving. So this is all in this chapter. Try to set SMART goals in your life so that, my dear students, you will succeed in your life. Thank you very much.